Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by parking the car in shade and working on a cool surface. Clean the emblem area with mild soap and water and dry it. Protect surrounding paint with 2 inches of painter's tape and wear gloves to avoid fingerprints and scratches. Heat the emblem with a hair dryer to about 150 degrees F for 1 to 2 minutes to soften adhesive. Keep the dryer moving. Gather dental floss or 20 lb fishing line, a plastic trim tool, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and a 3M adhesive remover so you have everything ready. Slide a long length of dental floss or 20 lb fishing line behind the edge of the emblem and hold both ends firmly. Use a controlled sawing motion while keeping the floss flat against the paint to cut through the softened adhesive. Avoid pulling up at a steep angle which can stress the badge or paint. If you meet resistance, reheat the area for about 30 seconds to 150 degrees F, and apply a small amount of 3M adhesive remover or 70% isopropyl alcohol to the edge to further dissolve the glue before continuing. Once the emblem is off, use a plastic scraper and 70% isopropyl alcohol or 3M adhesive remover to clear all residue. Work in small sections and wipe with a microfiber towel. Wash the panel with car soap, clay bar for stubborn bits, then inspect for paint damage. If you see chips, touch up with matching paint before reattaching a new emblem. If installing a replacement, use fresh 3M automotive double-sided tape or adhesive. Align precisely, press for 30 seconds, and allow the area to cure for 24 hours before washing or waxing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.